get emails from Zoho Mail.
One unread email from tim.parker@zilker.com. Subject: urgent, need recipe.
Alexa, read more.
Hey Emma, could you please send Tasha's cheesecake recipe today ASAP?
Alexa, reply. Hey Tim, sure thing. I'll forward Tasha's recipe to you. Alexa, send.
Mail sent.
Alexa, get emails from Tasha.
Getting emails from Tasha. You have 3 emails. First email. Sender: tasha@cupcakefactory.com. Subject: recipe, cheesecake.
Alexa, forward email to Tim.
Do you want the email to be forwarded to tim.parker@zilker.com?
Yes.
The email has been forwarded. Thank you for using Zoho Mail.